So in this, limit of x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit of x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. Don't worry if you are unable to follow now. I'll tell you what it is. Okay. And one more thing, in differentiation, we have learned something like, I'll write here, d by dx of x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. Correct, in differentiation. So similarly, in limits, we got this formula. Okay, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, that is this, equal to n a power n minus 1. That is if limit x tends to a. Okay, fine. So we'll just see one question based on this. It's very easy question. Let's see the first question itself. That is x power 15 minus 1 by x power 10 minus 1. So we have to bring in what form? Same, x a, correct? But here it is x power 15. A is fine, 1 power n, whatever it is same. But I have to make it in a similar form, correct? By x minus a, I have to give. What is my a here? X tends to a. My a is nothing but 1. My a is nothing but what? 1 here. Correct? So I have to make sure that here also it is 1. I have to make sure it is divided by x minus 1. So I multiply and divide by x minus 1. I multiply and divide by x minus 1 respectively. So that I can apply the limit separately to this as well as to this. Clear? I can separately apply the limits. Then I can do what? I can apply this formula, n a power n minus 1. What is my n? 15. 15 a power n minus 1. So that is not a problem. 15 by 10, that is 3 by 2. That's it. So I have to first convert it to what? X power n minus a power n by x minus a. That is nothing but a. I have to see. What is my a here? 1. I have to convert to this form so that I can directly apply the formula. That's all. Very easy question this is. Okay, and coming to the next one is sandwich theorem. So this is what I will tell you. Very important theorem. Okay, this thing, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. And one more thing which I would like to add is limit x tends to 0, tan x by x. Tan x by x is also equal to 1. That is also a formula you have to keep in mind, mainly for the entrance point of view. Other than this, for the NCERT board point of view, this is more than enough. Clear? Now let's see this thing. We only know what is the formula. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is equal to 1. Sin x by x is equal to 1. That is limit x tends to 0. So x and x, same, right? So similarly, if it is 4x and 4x, limit x tends to 0. Sin 4x by 4x is equal to 1. In the sense, this is equal to 1. But we don't have by 4x. So what I will do, I'll multiply and divide by 4x. Correct? I'll multiply and divide by 4x on both the sides. Yes, so that I can, here for one of the two, I can utilize for the sin 2x thing. The other thing, I can utilize directly for the 4x thing. So 2 limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by 4x divided by sin 2x by 2x. That's it. Okay, so that I'll get what? Limit x tends to 0. Sin 4x by 4x value is what? 1. Because if it is x or 4x, whatever it is, sin x. Correct. Instead of that, I'm putting sin, let me take sin 2x by 2x. If it is limit x tends to 0, that is very important. Sin 2x by 2x is equal to what? 1. So if it is same, I can make it as 1. So this 2 into this is 1, this is 1. So 2 into 1 into 1. So answer is 2 itself. Okay, and we have to remember tan x by x is equal to 1. So here we can notice something called 4x and 4x. The formula basically is what? Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Correct? Now we don't have x term here. Instead of x, what do we have got? We have got something called 4x. So 4x and here 4x. So for that, I am just putting here 4x tends 0. Suppose if you are not writing 4x also, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, just to be very clear, so 4x is tending to 0. Okay, anyway, 4 is a constant and that does not have any place in this. But the important thing in this particular problem is limit sine 4x by sine 2x. I have to bring it to this form. So I have to have by 4x, but 4x is not here. So I will multiply by what? 2x into 2. Okay, let me just multiply here. Yeah, I'll multiply by 2x into 2 here. You got the point. I'll multiply by 2x into 2. So that's what we will do here. So coming to this, we'll get what? One term as sine 4x by 4x. Other is by, right? Correct. So multiplying 2x by sine 2x into 2. This 2 I can take it outside because I am putting my limit only for x, not for the constant 2. So 2 I'm taking it outside. Correct. Sine 4x by 4x divided by sine 2x by 2x. Same thing, only I wrote in a different format. That's it. So that I'll apply limit on this as well as I'll apply limit on this thing. Two things I'll apply limit. So here again, it is x by x format. Correct? So that's how we are getting the answer. This is obviously 1. This also answer is 1. So 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 divided by 1. So answer is 2 itself. That's it.